Welcome back to Money Matters Made Easy, where we delve into a variety of intriguing financial topics to help you build a solid understanding of financial matters. I'm Izzy, your guide for today. In this episode, we're going to explore the fascinating world of retirement planning. We'll discuss its importance, the steps involved, and how to make it work for you. So let's dive in. Retirement planning is like planning a long, adventurous journey. You need to know your destination, the route you'll take, and the resources you'll need along the way. It's about setting financial goals for your golden years and creating a plan to achieve them. It's not just about saving money, it's about investing wisely, managing risks, and ensuring a steady income stream post-retirement. Why is retirement planning important? Imagine setting sail on a ship without a compass or a map. You'd be lost at sea, right? Similarly, without retirement planning, you might find yourself financially adrift in your later years. It provides financial security and peace of mind, ensuring you can maintain your lifestyle and meet unexpected expenses. The best time to start planning for retirement is as soon as you start earning. It's like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow. The power of compounding works wonders over a long period, turning small, regular investments into a substantial retirement corpus. There are numerous investment options available for retirement planning, each with its own risk and return profile. It's like a buffet. You need to choose what suits your palate, or in this case, your risk tolerance and financial goals. Diversification is key here, spreading your investments across different asset classes to balance risk and return. Risk management in retirement planning is like wearing a life jacket on your journey. It won't prevent the storm, but it will help you stay afloat. This involves having a mix of safe and risky investments, maintaining an emergency fund, and having adequate insurance coverage. Retirement planning is not a set-and-forget process. It's like navigating a ship. You need to regularly check your course and make adjustments as needed. Changes in income, expenses, life events, or financial goals may require tweaks to your retirement plan. If you're finding this video helpful, let us know by hitting like, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. In conclusion, retirement planning is an essential part of financial literacy. It's about charting your course for a comfortable and secure retirement. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start planning for your golden years. So set your financial goals, explore your investment options, manage your risks, and regularly review your plan. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thank you for joining us today on Money Matters Made Easy. Until next time, keep learning, keep planning, and keep growing your wealth.